Welcome to the Leaders Insights podcast. Today's episode, Multimodal AI explain what it means when a model can see, hear, and read at once. Everyone's throwing around multimodal AI like it's obvious. Cut through it for me. What actually changes when a model can see, hear, and read at once?
The old way, you'd bolt three separate systems together. One for text, one for images, one for audio. Each spoke its own language, and you played translator between them. Multimodal means one model handles all of it natively, in the same mental space, if a model can be said to have a mental space.
Same mental space is doing a lot of work there. What does that actually mean?
Everything gets turned into the same kind of internal representation, a long list of numbers the model calls tokens, which are just chunks of meaning. A word becomes tokens. A patch of an image becomes tokens. A slice of audio becomes tokens. Once they're all the same currency, the model can reason across them.
So a photo and a sentence end up looking the same to the machine?
Structurally, yes. That's the trick. When you show GPT-4o or Google's Gemini a chart and ask, why did revenue drop in Q3? It's not running a chart reader, then a text writer. It's holding the image and your question in one place and reasoning over both. That's why it can point at a specific bar and connect it to a number you typed.
Sounds clean. Where does it fall apart? Because it always falls apart.
Alignment across modalities is where it gets ugly. The model has seen billions of text examples and far fewer high-quality image and audio pairs, so its reading is sharper than its seeing. Ask it to transcribe a messy handwritten invoice, and it'll confidently invent a total that looks plausible and is wrong.
Confidently wrong is the worst kind of wrong.
It's the house style. And audio makes it worse. White, background noise, crosstalk, accents. Vendors quote transcription accuracy on clean studio audio. Then you feed it a 3-person Zoom call, and the numbers quietly collapse. Always ask what conditions a benchmark was measured under.
Give me the vivid version. My exec brain needs a picture.
Think of a brilliant new hire who reads at a PhD level, sees like someone who needs glasses they refuse to buy, and hears like they're always at a slightly loud party. Enormously capable, but you don't hand them the security camera footage and walk away.
So how does a smart exec actually design around that instead of just being impressed by demos?
You match the modality to the model's real strength. Text and structured data. Trust it more, verify less. Images with clear layouts like a slide or a labeled diagram. Good. Fine-grained visual detail. Tiny numbers on a dense spreadsheet screenshot. Audio in the wild. That's where you keep a human in the loop.
Isn't keep a human in the loop the thing everyone says and no one budgets for?
Right? So be specific about where. You don't review everything, Gagit. You review the handoffs where the model crosses from a strong modality into a weak one. The invoice photo becoming a number. The recorded call becoming a decision. Those are your checkpoints. Everything in pure text you can let run.
What's the business case people are getting wrong right now in 2026?
They think multimodal means throw the whole document at it and relax. What it actually buys you is fewer brittle handoffs between systems. Insurance companies feeding a claim, photos, the adjuster's audio notes, the policy text, into one model instead of 4 pipelines. That's real. And Anthropic and OpenAI both showed adoption climbing on exactly those document-heavy workflows this year. But that's vendor framing, so discount it a little.
Discount how much?
Assume their happy path numbers are the ceiling, not the average. Run your own messiest real files through it before you sign anything. The demo uses the clean invoice. Your accounts payable folder does not.
Give me the one thing to do Monday morning.
Take your ugliest real document, the coffee-stained scan, the noisy voice memo, and run it through whatever multimodal tool you're evaluating. Where it breaks is exactly where you put a human. That map is your whole implementation plan.
That's it. The AI decision tools are live at mba-training.com.